Imagine this. You're on the brink of death, yet you escape, and then you remember seeing things, feeling things that are beyond explanation. Welcome to the Curious Culture Club, where we dive into the mysteries of the human experience. Today, we're embarking on an exploration of the enigmatic world of near-death experiences, or NDEs. Picture yourself in the shoes of a man named John. John was clinically dead for 2 minutes following a car crash. During those minutes, he experienced an inexplicable journey, a journey that transcended the boundaries of the physical world. He recalls floating above his body, traveling through a tunnel, and encountering a radiant, comforting light. These vivid, life-altering experiences are not unique to John. Thousands around the globe share similar tales, tales that blur the lines between life and death, reality and the beyond. So, what exactly are these near-death experiences, and why do they happen? Let's delve into it. A near-death experience, or NDE, is a profound psychological event that may occur to a person close to death. It's an encounter that transcends the realms of the ordinary, often described as a journey into an entirely different dimension. Common elements of these experiences include feelings of separation from the body, moving through a tunnel, and coming into contact with a radiant light that is frequently associated with a sense of unconditional love and peace. To illustrate, consider John's story. He reported floating above his body in the hospital room, observing the frantic efforts of the medical team to revive him. There was no fear, only a calm detachment. Then, he was drawn into a tunnel towards a brilliant, welcoming light. Or Mary, who during her NDE met with beings of light who communicated with her telepathically, imparting wisdom and reassurances. These experiences, although unique in their details, share some common themes. Let's examine what science has to say about this. Scientifically, NDEs have been a topic of interest for many researchers. Over the years, numerous studies have been conducted in an attempt to unravel the mystery of near-death experiences. From a medical perspective, some experts suggest that NDEs are a result of the brain's response to extreme stress. When the body is in a state of crisis, endorphins, our natural painkillers, are released, creating a sense of euphoria and detachment. This could potentially explain the feelings of peace and calm often reported in NDEs. Additionally, oxygen deprivation to the brain, known as anoxia, could result in hallucinations, possibly accounting for the vivid imagery often associated with these experiences. Research in the field of psychology has also contributed to our understanding of NDEs. Some psychologists propose that NDEs are a form of dissociation, a mental process where consciousness detaches from physical and emotional experiences. This could potentially explain the out-of-body experiences commonly reported. From a neurological standpoint, scientists have explored the role of specific brain regions in NDEs. For instance, the right temporal lobe, which is associated with processing sensory information and memory, is often active during near-death experiences. This could explain the life review phenomenon, where individuals report seeing and evaluating their life events. Furthermore, the tunnel and light experiences often reported in NDEs could be attributed to changes in brain function. Some neurologists propose that as the brain shuts down, vision narrows, creating a tunnel-like perception. The bright light, on the other hand, could be a result of the brain's visual system being overloaded by the lack of oxygen. Despite these scientific explanations, it's important to note that not all aspects of NDEs can be accounted for by current medical and psychological knowledge. For instance, the profound personal transformation that many experience following an NDE, such as a renewed sense of purpose and a decreased fear of death, remains largely unexplained. While science offers some explanations, it doesn't fully explain the profound personal transformation that many experience. So, could there be more to it? Different religions and belief systems interpret NDEs in various ways. For some, these experiences represent a glimpse into the afterlife, a journey to the threshold of another realm. They see the light at the end of the tunnel as a divine entity, a beacon of hope guiding them on their path. The life review, a common thread in many NDE narratives, is often seen as a moment of spiritual reckoning, an opportunity to reflect on one's actions and their impact on others. For others, these experiences are a testament to the interconnectedness of all beings, reinforcing the belief in a collective consciousness. The life review during near-death experiences is viewed as a profound moment of self-realization, a chance to understand one's role in the grand scheme of existence. These experiences, whether spiritual or scientific, have a significant impact on those who have them. But are they real? Skepticism surrounds NDEs, with many alternative explanations and critiques of the phenomenon. Some argue that these experiences are merely the products of a stressed or dying brain, while others suggest they could be hallucinations induced by drugs or medication. Skeptics also point to the lack of consistency in near-death narratives, arguing that the discrepancies undermine their credibility. Neuroscientists propose that the tunnel vision and light at the end of the tunnel phenomena could be explained by the effects of oxygen deprivation on the visual areas of the brain. Some psychologists suggest that the peaceful feelings often described are the brain's way of protecting the individual from the fear and pain of dying. But despite these alternative explanations, many who have had NDEs maintain that their experiences were deeply meaningful and transformative. Near-death experiences remain a mystery, a fascinating intersection of science, psychology, and spirituality. And while we may not have all the answers, the exploration of these profound experiences continues to captivate us.